Today, I will introduce the application areas of our products. Our products are mainly divided into the vertical slewing drive series and horizontal slewing drive series. The vertical slewing drive is primarily used in construction machinery, attachments, and slipper changing machines, among other fields. The horizontal slewing drive is mainly applied in construction machinery, mining equipment, and intelligent equipment. Our products have been supplied to well-known domestic companies such as Sunny Heavy Industry and Xuzhou Construction Machinery Group, and are also exported to developed countries like Europe and the United States. If you want to know more about our products, you can send us a private message.